Hi, my name is Simon Simon. My registration number is URK7CL049. Now we are going to see a third Android application. The application is based on a supermarket application. That application, what we are going to do is we are going to select one product and we are going to generate the bill for the product that we have selected. So now we can go into the program here. Here we are creating a package called market application, and in that we are here we are importing some of the properties such as intent, bundle and text view, array list. And here intent is used to take the details from the one web page to another web page. The intent property has been used, and text view is used to show the text in the web page, in the application page. And here we are going to give public class main activity, which is extends the app compact activity. And inside the protected void on create bundle saved instances, here we are going to give the property here. The main activity, what we are going to do is we are going to give an intent activity. The intent equal to get intent activity here, and we are going to give a bundle data is equal to bundle data is equal to intent dot get extras. Here we are going to get a more number of data here, so we are giving a bundle value here. And here we are going to give an array list string of array equal to data dot get string array list, and we are going to give the key as a list, and then we are assigning the string s value as a null, and then we are giving a for condition here for I equal to 0, I less than array dot size I plus plus, and we are going to give s is equal to s plus array dot get I plus slash n. Slash n is going to print the values in the next page. And here we are going to display the total cost, and we are going to add another thing called cost as a string, which is going to show the cost of each and every product we are going to buy. And we are going to show the text view and what are all the products we have bought. So in the XML file, what we are doing is we are designing a page for each and everything here. For each and every application, we are giving the text size and the text color. For each and every pages, it will differ so much. So in the shopping.java, what we are going to do is we are going to import some of the properties such as dialog interface, bundle view and adapter view, button, list view, and the toast we are going to give here. So next what we are going to do is we are going to give a public class shopping which extends app compact activity. Here going to give a list view as my list, and we are going to assume cost as 0, and then we are giving array list string of array equal to new array list, and then we are going to give the button bill. And inside the protector void on create a bundle of saved instance state. In the inside, what we are going to give is we are going to get the name of the products. The application which we are going to create here is an fruits is the main product which we are going to give here. And so here we are giving the prices of each and every fruits here. So then we are giving the images of the future images of each fruits here, such as apple, banana, orange, etc. we are giving here. So and then we are creating a list here which is equal to find view by id or.id.list, and then we are giving a final array adapter ad is equal to new array adapter of this comma name comma prices comma images, and we are going to give a my list dot set adapter of ad. And when we are giving the my list, it is going to perform an action. It is when we click a particular product, it is going to produce an alert box. The code is alert dialog dot builder of alert dialog is equal to new alert dialog dot builder of view dot get context. Here it's going to present a message that do you want to add the item or not, then plus add dot get item of I to the cart. And if we are going to give a positive button, what is that going to do is it is going to add that product to the marketing bill, and it's also going to shift the products to the next page, and it's going to give a text message as item added, and it's going to show it as a toast message here. and when we are going to give a cancel button, it's going to cancel that product. And then we are giving an alert dialog, alert dialog of alert dialog 1 equal to alert dialog dot create. In that we are showing alert dialog 1 dot show. It is used to show the alert box in the application page, and in the bill we are getting the value of the bill here, and we are giving the ID for it. And then we are setting an on click listener here, which is when we give that bill button, it is going to the next page, and it will show the list of the products that we have bought and the cost of it, and it's going to show the total amount of products that you have bought in the online application is going to show here. So the start activity intent, it's going to start the activity of the intent here. And in the XML file we are creating as a linear layout. We are assuming the width and height as match parent, and we are giving the orientation as vertical, and the background we are giving one hexadecimal value or color, and in the text view we are giving the width and height as match parent, width as match parent, and the height as wrap content. In the text we are going to give as context, and then we are giving the text color and gravity here. Then afterwards the list view, it is used to show the list of the items which is present in the market, and in the button we are giving a button value here, and we are assuming the ID for the list view button. For these two things we are going to assume an ID here. In the array adapter, what we are going to do is, in the array adapter we are going to get the value for the context, names, prices and images. And in the public array adapter, what we are going to do is, we are going to get the each and every value as a super value here. Super of context r dot layout and dot custom layout of names. We are going to give the names, prices and images, and we are going to get it as a position and a view. Public view dot of get view equal to, we are going to get the position, view of convert view group of parent. That what we are going to do is, if the convert view equal to null means it is going to inflate the value here as false. Then afterwards it is going to convert the view of the name of the product and the price and the image here, and it's going to set the position of each and every product here, and it's going to set the image source, and it will return the convert view here. So this is the program here. This is the program for the third experiment. Now I am going to show the output here. So this is the product here, so I am going to select here. Do you want to add apple? Is showing here. I am clicking it here. It is showing banana. We are giving OK, and then orange here. I am going to add orange once again. So it's giving OK, and I am going to click banana. So I am giving cancel button here. So I am going to give a check bill here. It will generate what are all the products that we have bought. We have bought one apple, one banana, and 2 oranges we have bought. Here it's shown what are the products we have bought, and it's showing the total cost, how much amount we have bought it. So it is displaying here. So this is the end of the program. Thank you for listening.